How to modify the 5 Series interior. We are starting a free part modification guide covering the BMW 5 Series F10, and part 1 focuses on the interior. In the words of its creator, Mr. Olive Heimer, German name, the BMW 5 Series is meant to be a business suit, a tailor-made business suit, and from 2010 and until 2017 it was just that. But sometimes the passionate people about their cars want to change things, and they might change things too much, and they might also reach a dark place where they make Mr. Heimler cry and suffer, a place where the vehicle loses its character, a place where the BMW is not a 5 Series BMW anymore. Why do you want to make Mr. Heimler cry? Hello everyone, I am Bogdan. I help people upgrade their cars, and in this video we are looking at how to modify the BMW F10, especially the interior, so that it is functional, classy, and looks OEM plus. Links to all of the products that we are going to discuss will be available in the description, and also should you want to work with me, get in touch using the contact details available over there also. First thing is first, the secret for a timeless upgrade is to go higher spec and go with components from the same brand. Just perform the retrofits. These types of upgrades will allow you to keep the value of the vehicle, maybe even increase it a little bit, and give you a chance to actually sell it once you finish with that vehicle, because we all lie to ourselves, but after we're gonna finish this project, we will want a new car to start all over again. The most impactful thing, the most useful upgrade, in my opinion, is the instrument cluster. The 5 Series had 3 available clusters: the bog standard one that nobody likes, an extended cluster with a bigger display, codename 6WA, and the 6WB full digital, the most desired instrument cluster, at the same time the most expensive out of them all. Overall, the 6WA is the best purchase. 6WB looks the best. There is also an available Chinese upgrade, Chinese version of the instrument cluster. However, that one doesn't really fit the 5 Series. It might work on the baby race cars, so the 1, 2, 3, and 4 BMWs, especially if you go for high power and you have other mods that are similar and give that look. But on the 5 Series, that cluster destroys the design of the interior completely. We move on to another big addition, something that gives the car a newer feel, and that is an Android screen. I would recommend a 12.3 or 15-inch screen, and also if you don't have fitting a rear view camera. This screen is not an OEM component, but going OEM for this type of upgrade is not economically feasible, and also overall as a package you're reaching where you want to be, having a car that is relevant in 2024 at a very affordable price, and also it's something that you could perform by yourself at home without needing a specialist to actually do coding, wire splicing, and all sorts of other crazy stuff. Next thing on the list, ambient lights. There are multiple kits now available out there. There are some that are specially designed for the 5 Series and others that are universal. Choose the one that you prefer. Next, the sound system. If you have a BMW with the bass sound system, there are no words to describe how bad that sound system is. It reaches a point where even the sound from a basic phone looks like or sounds like an opera concert. So save the money, because this is one of those upgrades that will actually improve your quality of life in the vehicle. At a minimum, perform the change of the speakers and installing the tweeters. Ideally, you also want to install the amplifier to have a decent power output at higher volume levels. The next thing on the list is the G30 mirror. Yes, it's a strange thing, but the mirror from the newer 5 Series fits on the older 5 Series, and it's a must-have, especially because if you have self-dimming side mirrors, the sensor that is in the original BMW F10 mirror does not really pick up blue lights. So anything with LEDs or fancy xenons, they are not seen that well, and your mirrors don't dim as effectively. So changing the mirror will allow your dimming functions to work better, faster, and also it changes the looks of the interior makes it more modern. That rimless mirror, it's something that makes it really, really nice. We move on to other things, other bigger things, and you can consider and you can search for sport seats and comfort seats, because more and more BMW F10s are in the breaking environment. In the salvage yards, you're able to source sport seats and comfort seats at very attractive prices. Even the M5 seats that look amazing are now available at affordable prices. The most important thing that you need to remember: pre-LCI seats go on pre-LCI cars, LCI seats go on LCI cars. That is the key thing over there. If you struggle with your upgrade, get in touch and we can provide services to help you with this. Okay, the majority of the things that we have discussed should be available in more detailed videos on our channel. Next thing, or one of the other things that is a little bit more controversial, is the LCI sport steering wheel. A detailed description of the risks involved with this retrofit should be available in the video on the screen. It mainly has to do with the way that you're sourcing the part. The retrofit is quite easy to do. Watch that video over there, and also, should you want to watch the second part, the video is available over here, where we are focusing on modifying the exterior. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.